Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent airbag deployment and electrical shorts. Once done, remove the center stack trim and the visible screws around the radio. Many Ford F150 panels use hidden clips, so pry gently at seam lines to avoid damage. Make sure to work with a soft trim tool and keep each screw in a labeled container so reassembly is straightforward. You'll save time and avoid panel breakage by documenting each step with quick photos before proceeding. Once the trim and radio are free, unplug the electrical connectors for the radio, climate control, and any USB or auxiliary modules. Depress release tabs to avoid breaking terminals. Next, remove the instrument cluster screws and, if necessary, tilt the steering wheel down to gain clearance. This prevents scraping the dash. Make sure you support the dash section you're detaching to relieve strain on wiring harnesses once loose. Gently pull forward a few inches and identify stubborn clips before applying more force to prevent snapped plastic. You finish by lifting the dash slowly while guiding wiring harnesses through their openings. Pause to unclip any remaining connectors as you see them. Once the dash is clear, inspect airbag connectors and mounting points for damage and secure everything before reinstallation. Make sure to reconnect the negative battery only after modules are properly mounted and connectors are seated. If something won't power up, test each circuit and check the appropriate fuses first. Often a loose connector or blown fuse is the simple fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.